Palm cold hardiness, myth or genetic limit? What truly determines why some palms survive minus 15 degrees Celsius to minus 20 degrees Celsius, the equivalent of 5 degrees Fahrenheit to 4 degrees Fahrenheit, while others die at the very first frost? How does palm DNA actually work, and what role does genetics play in growth, resilience, and the ability to withstand freezing temperatures? Can palms be cold trained? Can we increase their cold tolerance? And most importantly, can the genetic limit be exceeded? The answer may surprise you. You will also learn why some palms are killed by frost while others survive. What exactly contributes to cold hardiness? How palms react to extreme heat, frost, drought, and you'll learn every stage of leaf cover change as temperatures drop, all the way to complete freeze damage. This is science, practice, and real-world gardening, all in one short lesson. Find the full video and many more on our Next Level channel here on www.herohero.co and also on our only English channel, www.patreon.com. Grow smart, grow with us. Long live exotic plants. Cheers, everybody.